GKFX Empire reviews GKFX. So today we're looking at a fantastic broker that is split into a few different divisions. So you've got the FCA regulated arm of the company, but today we're looking at the arm which is authorised and regulated by the BVI Financial Services Commission. So as such, it offers a much more flexible offering in terms of leverage, trading conditions, and even things like bonuses. So GKFX Prime is a Forex and CFD broker that has been operating since 2012. It offers the trading of Forex, CFDs and other assets via the MT4 and MT5 trading platforms. By the way, the GKFX Pro offering also offers the Cyrix web, and they also offer crypto trading and other assets which are not on offer through this branch here. So this branch, as mentioned, is located in the British Virgin Islands, and it offers over 200 different trading instruments in a variety of different classes, which include indices, commodities and shares, and again, no cryptos on offer here. They also offer the Auto Chartist plugin for you to identify patterns, and you get access to a trading calculator and some other tools which include some amazing educational features like the video center, ebook, tutorial, indicator list, and there's the Auto Chartist we mentioned, the Trading Central, there's the economic calendar, the calculators, and you also get access to a VPS here. There are a number of ways in which you can speak to the company, and live chat is one of those. So let's just have a quick chat and see how quickly they are to respond. By the way, there's also other ways in which you can get in touch, which include phone and email too. Right, I'm just going to leave a message. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so we're just waiting now for somebody to give us an answer. So let's give them a couple of minutes and see how long it takes for them to respond. Unfortunately, there are no operators available at the moment. Okay, never mind. We'll find out the answer to the question ourselves. That's not a great start, really, is it? Okay, so we are looking at being covered then by an investor compensation scheme. And as you can see, we're looking at 1 pip on the euro dollar, which is pretty standard, really and truly. You can engage in news trading here too. And by the way, Arsenal are the official sponsor of GKFX, which is pretty cool. Here are some of the bonuses that you can access, which include 55% trading bonus, redeposit bonus too. You can open a demo account here at GKFX, and that's a great way to test out the platform and, of course, the services here too. And then, of course, you can open a live account. Before I show you how to open an account, I just want to show you the list of platforms on offer. So these are downloadable for your desktop and also an app for mobile too. Then we've got the web trader, which we'll take a look at, and then also the MT5 for desktop and mobile, and the MT5 web trader too. In order to log into your dashboard, you do that through my GKFX Prime, and of course to log into the web trader, do it through here. Now you can open a demo account or a live account through here. Simply click on the button of your choice, and then you'll need to, of course, fill out your details. With a live account, you'll need to send some documents, so proof of utility and address and identity, of course. And for a demo account, simply work your way through and you won't need to upload any documents. And once you've done that, you can then go ahead and log into the web trader. Okay, and while we're just logging into the web trader, I just want to show you I got a comment back from the operator, and they've sent me a link to the spreads. So this is what more and more companies do these days. Rather than just give you the spreads, they direct you to places in their website, which I don't think is an excellent service level, but there you go. That's just my personal preference. So in order to take a look at the spreads, you will need to download some of these documents yourselves. Now we've got a variety of different spreads here. We've got the fixed spreads, the variable spreads, and the ECN 0 spreads, which of course you're looking at much lower spreads on the ECN. But here we are. I'm just going to look at the fixed spreads here to start off with for a variety of different assets. So if we actually look at the benchmark assets, so we start off by looking at the euro dollar. Now, if you can see where my mouse is here, we're looking at typical spreads of 1.8 pips with a margin of 0.25% and a leverage that goes up to 400 to 1. This, of course, is on the Prime account here. So that's for the majors. And then if we look at the Australian 200, the Aussie 200 for the spot market, we're looking at minimum spread of just 1 pip and the typical spread of 1 pip there too. So then if we go ahead and scroll through to the Bitcoin versus the US dollar, we're looking at a typical spread of $35 there, 350 to 1, as you can see. And then for the ICE Brent rolling, we're looking at 0.4 pips minimum spread there. And you can see all of the commodities here. This is the WTI oil, crude oil, 0.4 pips there too. Silver is also 0.4 pips. And then if you look at the stocks, so we're looking at the equities and we're looking at Apple, minimum increment 0.01, leverage of 50 to 1. So those are the major spreads. Those are the major spreads, as you can see. Right, now that we've had a look at that, I'm just going to go ahead and close that and see if we can go ahead and log into the web trader. Okay, great. So we are now logged into the demo web trader for the MT4. You also have access to the MT5 as well if you wish. You can see I've got $5,000 balance, $5,000 equity and $5,000 free margin. And of course, so the assets are all on the left side of the screen with the charts on the right side of the screen, and at the bottom of the screen is your trading history or your open positions too. Simply click on the asset of your choice and it will then appear in the charting. And you can also trade from here too. Simply click on new order and that opens a new order. Select the asset of your choice, the volume, any stop loss or take profit. Type in any comment and either select market execution for instant execution or pending order to set a pending order, and then simply click sell by market, buy by market, and that has then been placed. You can see the order is now open at the bottom of the screen. In order to close that, click on the X, initiate one-click trading, and then you can simply click on the X at any time in order to instantly close trades. Looking at the charts, you can see a variety of different time frames here. You can add your crosshair and you can draw different trend lines and objects on here too. You can also change the type of chart that you're looking at from here, and you can insert all of your indicators. And this is the great thing about MT4, all of the indicators and trend lines that are available to you. So you can simply add those, as you can see right in front of you there. There's a lot of things you can do with the MT4 and even more with the desktop. So this is the web trader. With the desktop, you can also access expert advisors, which is algorithmic trading, where you're uploading a different strategy of your choice and letting the platform trade on your behalf. So there you have it. These are the major features of the MT4. And of course, then the MT5 is a slightly more evolved version of the MT4 with more features and more parameters that you can change and look at here too. So then let's have a look at the mobile trader. Okay, so in front of you, you can see the MetaTrader 5 for Android, and you can see the main screen. These are all the quotes which go all the way down the page. And by the way, you can edit this list. You can add more quotes and you can remove other quotes too. Click on any of the assets of your choice in order to place a new order, or you can open the chart from here, which I'll show you in just a second. Instant execution, or you can add a pending order, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit, sell stop limit from there too. Add any stop loss or take profit from here. Quite simply click on sell or buy. That's it. That's my position. opened there, and you can see on this screen the open positions. In order to go ahead and close them, simply press on it, and you can either close the position, modify the position, open another order of this position, and look at the charts. I'm going to go ahead, close that, and go back here and take a look at the charts. So from here, you can add your crosshairs, you can add your indicators on the main chart or on the indicator windows below the chart. So if we just look at that, you can see that and there, these are your window 1 and window 2. And you can change the parameters of your indicators. You can look at the list of your watch list, your favorites, and you can open another window from here too, another chart, and you can go ahead and place an order from up the top here too. And this is your home screen, which shows you all your available balance, equity, and so on. And your trading history and open positions are available through here. So this is the MT5 brought to you by GKFX, and this one is for Android. And then just quickly before we go, I want to show you all of your available promotions and bonuses through there. If you're interested to find out more about the company, you can do so through the company profile. Support is available through this button, and education and tools, as we discussed earlier, are all available through here. So this was a look at GKFX Prime, and of course you have the option to take a look at GKFX Pro as well, which is great for professional traders and institutional traders. Here are all of your promotions, which are available through this region here. Happy trading with GKFX Prime, brought to you by FX Empire.